What's up guys, I'm Ollie from iDoctor UK, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to safely repair a broken camera lens on the iPhone 12 Pro Max without removing the screen or camera. Before continuing with this repair, it's important to assess the risk of further damage to the camera. If there isn't a hole in the device like this one and just a crack, it may be much safer to remove the screen and camera than pop the lens out from the inside out. Let's get started by first protecting the internal lens of the camera with one of these little camera protectors. I'll stick a link in the description below where to get hold of these. Next, use a heat gun to warm up the area and soften the adhesive. If you don't have a heat gun, a hairdryer will be suitable. Once the area is hot enough, take some sharp, fine tweezers and begin removing the shards of broken glass from the outer ring. It's important to only pull the glass away from the phone to avoid any broken glass entering into the phone. And if you feel any resistance when pulling the glass, just add a little bit more heat to soften the adhesive again. Once you've removed the larger shards, take a blade like this flat-ended X-Acto blade and carefully remove the small bits of glass and any adhesive that's left behind. Use a dust blower to blow out any dust around the lens, and using some tweezers, remove any remaining fine bits of adhesive that got left behind. Take a Q-tip with some 99% isopropyl alcohol on it and clean the edge where the camera lens will sit. Use the alcohol sparingly because you want to avoid getting it into the camera or the internal lens. Once all the glass is removed and the chassis is cleaned, remove the protective tape ready to clean the internal camera lens. Start by taking a new, dry cotton bud and gently wipe any dust from the camera lens and its surrounds. Then take a new microfiber cloth, lay it over the lens, and using a clean little soft brush like this one, gently brush the camera lens. Wipe away any last specks of dust with a cotton bud. Then it's time to secure the new glass into place. I avoid using the adhesive that usually comes with any camera lens you might buy online and opt instead for this Permatex gasket adhesive that I've decanted into this syringe. Spread the glue around the inside of the camera ring where the lens will sit. Then take a cotton bud and clean any excess glue, but be sure to not get any adhesive on the internal camera lens. Now we can drop the new lens into place. Be careful when handling this because if you touch the inside of the glass, it will leave fingerprints or grease there forever. So it's best to handle this with tweezers. Once you're happy with the positioning of the lens, take a microfiber cloth and wipe away any excess glue and really polish it up good. Now test the camera functions on the phone. It's also best to hold the camera up to a white piece of paper so you can check there are no dark marks on the lens. Finally, add a little bit of tape to the lens whilst the glue cures. Thank you for watching and see you next time.